There's a lot happening in the garden. Here are some easy tips for success. We all know how wonderful seaweed is for promoting plant health and root development. But did you know there's a quick and easy, ready-to-use way to apply Seasol? Seasol for pots and plants is sprayed directly onto the soil or potting mix and is great for encouraging healthy plants and roots, flowering and fruiting, as well as helping garden and potted plants to cope with stress. It's safe to use on all plants, including Aussie natives. It takes a lot of energy for roses and flowers to produce all their beautiful blooms, so it's important to feed them regularly with a concentrated liquid fertiliser that's been specially designed for roses and flowers. This one is packed with the right nutrients to promote healthy growth, as well as bigger, brighter, more colourful flowers. Would you like a deep green lawn? Seasol Organic Iron combines the goodness of seaweed with iron and nitrogen to promote a deep green lawn, correct yellowing and stimulate strong lawn growth and root development. The hose-on pack makes it super easy to apply. Just attach it to your hose and you're good to go. For more advice, head to the Seasol website.